God dang it. Okay, I just got back from riding and and this is actually only did 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Let's see what we got. Okay, first lap 108, almost 109, but that was kind of a milky lap, but still. Second lap, good lap, 104. If I could do that consistent, I'd be happy. This track's not going to put out a whole lot, man, without getting just over jumping everything and getting real crazy, and I don't want to get out of shape. Too bad. Third lap 104. That's 2 consecutive laps. That's right in the ballpark. Be consecutive. Oh, sweet. Beat my last time. The last time it was 103.48, I think. This one's 103.13. And yep, beat it. Sweet. So yeah, almost crashed. Yeah, you'll see it in the video. Got off the jump, one of the jumps too long, and went into the woods, and there's a lot of rocks in the woods, so I kind of freaked out, and hand almost came off, or actually my hand came off the steering wheel, and you know, the handlebars, and oh my goodness, I was going for a ride. But yeah, there's big boulders off the trail, so you have to be super careful. Oh man, that's what freaks me out about this track. I thought I was gonna hit one of them, and if you hit one of them, you're going over. You know, it's a dead stop. So I'm sure I'll be sore tomorrow, but I kept on riding. I just kind of milked it that lap. Yeah, shut the camera off, then turn it back on, milked it, and then started afresh this 4 minute and 21 second laps, and I got my best time. So there you go. Just keep on going, don't get discouraged. Yeah, ride to your ability. I'm probably not going to try for no more fast laps, because if I can just ride to my ability and get a fast lap, that's what I'm looking for. Just ride steady, ride smart. Yeah, the terrain is really hard. If you notice, the ass end just wants to slide out whenever I'm really gassing it. Like, go around the corner and gas it, it's all over the place. So moral of the story is just go out there, have fun, be safe, don't crash, be positive. Yeah, you're gonna do something, do it, get her done. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I got a couple more new subscribers last week, and thank you for that. And yeah, it's gonna help me grow my channel 1 subscriber at a time. I know I don't have too many yet, but I'm gonna keep making videos, and hopefully I'll get a few, you know. So leave some comments, let me know what I'm doing right, doing wrong, and that'll help me do better, and I'll probably get more subscribers too. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, and totally appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks. Bye.